goodness! A sight that just a few weeks ago seemed scarcely possible. Eden Park is back in business, a capacity crowd of 43,000, and they are pouring in ahead of this Super Rugby Aotearoa clash between the Blues and the Hurricanes. Right, left, right again. And again, Blackwell puts up his hand for a carry. Well, Jackson Garden-Bishop, this is just his second kick of the year. Nice, easy one. Feels like last year. Oh, look, flying up the Hurricanes, but they've left space. Enrico Ioane takes it. Clark thundering into the 22 and scores.
Here we go. Aotearoa Black. Great ball here. Enrico Ioane, the awareness, the fend. But I love this. Get it out to his outside. And a great finish from the young man, KT. Great stuff.
There's space away on the right, though. Wilson moves it on quickly, and there's Coles! Dane Coles scores! Oh, what a response!
The finish was spectacular, but look at the handling skills here. Ussell out wide, and Houston, whoa! And the finish from the hooker. We've seen this many times in the black jersey. Look at that. There they go.
Parsons is there, not. Now the chance for the Blues. Inside pass to Talia. And they're in again.
Some quick ball. They decide to go wide. Barrett steps up as well. Nice inside pass to Talia. But this is here. The ability to keep the ball alive. Great try.
Now Arsenal gets rid of it quickly. They floated over to Landwell. He was denied a moment ago. Not now.
But watch this here. There's Tia. Beautiful ball out the back.
And Ben Lamb on a second go gets the try.
Second try of the Hurricanes, number 11. Ben Lamb.
Half time.
The blow and the whistle indicates half time. What a first half. 2 tries apiece. And at the break, the Blues lead the Hurricanes in game 2 of Super Rugby Aotearoa. Halftime score 14-13. They were offside. It was Walker Leoetti. Now a little jab kick through. Papali's after it. He's got it, and he scores.
Here we go right here. Beautifully sized up, wasn't it, from TJ Fayane? And on this occasion, he found that gap. Dalton Papali'i, well, he's pumped.
Aotearoa Black with a chance to push it out to an 8-point lead. Oh, beautifully done. But away comes Satutu with it. Oh, he is hard to stop, this young man. So this, to take the lead out to 11 points. Oh, he's judging them beautifully. Evans wanted to offload the pass, couldn't.
Yeah, good
Satutu's gone in there. He's pinched it.
No, TJ.
Oh, more great work from the young Blues, number 8. Ball comes out. Oh, they slowed it down too, so it's a penalty advantage and an opportunity for Ioane. Oh, lovely ball to Talia. Just got clipped, but he's back on his feet and inside the 22.
Actually off feet there. We're coming back. No advantage.
This for a 14-point lead. And again, it looks good. Now knock. Away goes quickly on. Satutu, oh, beautiful ball away to Aotearoa Black.
Penalty advantage.
Blues starting to hum now on attack. And Barrett decides to go for the droppy.
Offside.
No. Not going to miss from there. Walker Leoetti having a surge for the line. Booth now clears it away. And almost, in fact, that's Walker Leowetty there. Booth has a go, and he's over.
It's on the
Deserve
line.
a try as well to Booth.
Oh, yeah.
He's been really energetic since he's come onto the field.
No!
Wasn't able to get a pass away. Booth is there. He's collared though, and that's been stolen. Koli Tuioti rips it back on the blue side.
Down
Little
by
knock
blue
on.
hand.
And Mike Fraser blows the final whistle.
Yeah.
Blues win it 30-20.